it's fishing day. You're probably familiar with snow crab and king crab, the two of the most popular crabs in the seafood industry. Although they have different characteristics, the process of catching them is similar. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of crabs catching and find out how processing plants handle these leggy guys. Before the crab fishing vessels set sail, dockside preparations are crucial. Seasoned fishermen and crew members work tirelessly to get everything ready, with a strong focus on the crab traps, or pots. The journey of snow crab and king crab begins in the icy, unpredictable waters of the Bering Sea, North Atlantic, and North Pacific, where modern fishing vessels set out to catch these prized crustaceans. Think roaring waves, freezing winds, and these massive crabs being hauled up from the depths. It's a wild, courageous, and super skilled operation. Once the crab fishing vessel sets sail, modern crab fishermen rely on advanced GPS and sonar technology to locate the best areas where snow crabs and king crabs gather on the ocean floor. Now, fishermen must carefully prepare the bait and the traps to maximize their catch. They usually use strong-smelling bait like herring, mackerel, squid, or chunks of fish. The process is pretty cool. They dropped these pots in targeting spots. Then, they let them soak and wait for the expensive crabs to come. This process sometimes takes all day. Once the time's up, they haul the pots back up. They pull them up, then check each crab, making sure it's the right size, and toss back the little ones and females to keep the population healthy. Seriously, you wouldn't believe what these guys go through. Picture this: gale force winds whipping, waves like mountains crashing, and it's so cold your bones ache. And they're out there, pulling up these monster traps, day and night. Some of the pots are rectangular steel cages weighing up to 800 pounds, while others are lighter, round rope frame traps designed for flexibility and easy stacking. Each type serves a purpose, carefully engineered to maximize the haul while ensuring sustainable harvesting. Day and night, in freezing winds and crashing waves, these fishermen pull up trap after trap, never slowing down, all to bring fresh, high-quality crab to seafood lovers around the world. The traps are designed with big entrances for the big crabs, but when the little guys accidentally come in, the workers will let them go, which is super important. The crew sorts the crabs right there on deck, checking their size and quality, and tossing back any that are too small or the wrong type. They're super careful about following the rules. Then, the selected crabs go into these special seawater tanks on the boat. It's basically a giant tank of seawater on the boat, keeping them alive and kicking until they get to shore. The water's constantly circulating to keep it fresh and cool. As the fishing vessels return to port, fishermen carefully unload the crabs from the boat's holding tanks, ensuring they are in prime condition. The packed crabs are loaded onto refrigerated trucks that will take them directly to seafood processing facilities. When the crabs arrive at the processing plant, they begin a new journey guided by skilled workers and modern machinery. The crabs will then go through an advanced automated cutting system. where high-precision machines swiftly separate their legs with efficiency and accuracy. This ensures consistency while minimizing waste. Once the legs are cut, they move on to the cooking stage. Here, skilled workers carefully extract the meat from the shells, ensuring only the finest, high-quality crab meat is selected. This hand-picked process allows for the separation of different grades of meat: lump, claw, and body meat, each destined for specific packaged products. For whole crab packaging, the crabs are carefully cleaned and prepared to maintain their natural shape. Both king crab and snow crab are known for their delicate, sweet flavor and fibrous, stringy texture. They can be prepared in various ways like steaming, boiling, grilling. Extracted crab meat is commonly used in crab pasta, sushi rolls, and seafood salads. If you enjoyed the journey, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.